Hello everyone. Good morning children. Today we are going to learn one different concept in a MS Paint. We know that how to start our paint in a system and we learned the few tools that is available in a MS Paint. And in this class we are going to learn one different concept that is a color eraser. Already we know that what is a fill with color tool and what is a hairbrush tool, right? So similar to that, color eraser also one of our tool in a MS Paint. In this chapter, we are going to learn about what is a eraser tool, how we are going to use a eraser tool, and what is a color eraser tool. Here, eraser tool. It is used to erase drawings in MS Paint. So if we did any mistake in our note, what we will do? We'll take our eraser and we'll erase it, right? Yes. Similar to that, you can erase a drawing in a MS Paint also. I'm going to explain you the few steps how to erase your drawing. To erase, click on the eraser tool and drag the mouse pointer to the area where you want to erase. Okay. I gave an example. If we did any mistake in a note, what you will do? You'll take eraser, right? Yes. To erase, if you want to erase, you need to first take the eraser tool. You need to take the eraser tool. So, you need to click on the eraser tool here. And you need to drag the mouse pointer to the area where you want to erase. Okay. See here children, this is our eraser tool and we have a n number of sizes. Based upon your wish, you can take any size of the eraser for your drawing. And here I am going to show you how to erase your drawing. Okay, here, see here children, this is our eraser tool. This is our eraser tool and you can draw any shapes over here. After drawing the shape, choose an eraser and you see the size of your eraser. See here the size of the eraser is big, right? And you can reduce the size of your eraser also. See, now the size is reduced, right? If you want to increase, you can increase the size of your eraser. See here. Okay. So these are the steps to delete a picture or an image in your drawing. Okay. Now I am going to explain you about the color eraser part. See here children, this is our color eraser and I have explained you how to use the eraser tool also. Next is a color eraser. The eraser can be changed into a color eraser and used as a coloring tool to color the pictures. Okay. Same procedure children. After selecting your eraser, you need to pick a color. See here, I'll explain. Select the eraser tool from the toolbox and move the mouse cursor to the color box at the bottom of the paint window and right click on any color you want. Okay, and you need to right click on the any color you want. Okay, see here, move the mouse cursor to the color box at the bottom of the paint window and right click on any color you want. I am going to show you the short clip how to use the color eraser here. Okay. See here children, already we have drawn a picture on our drawing area. Choose a eraser tool. Here we have sizes. You can choose any sizes over here. After choosing the sizes, you can choose any color. You can choose any color from the color box. You need to right click on that. Okay. After choosing the color, drag to the area where you need to erase. See here. Okay. So the eraser can be changed into a color eraser and used as a color tool. So and it is looking like we painted. Okay. Through eraser also we can color. Okay. So that color is called as a color eraser tool. Okay. By using a color eraser also we can color our picture. Okay children. Now again I am explaining, if you want to change the eraser to a color eraser, select the eraser tool from the toolbox, move the cursor to the color box at the bottom of the paint window and right click on any color based upon your interest. I request everyone to take your textbook for writing our textbook activities. I told everyone to take the textbook I told everyone to open the textbook activities, right? So take up page number 45 children. Here first main, fill in the missing letters with the words given in the box. The first question, we have the missing letters here and they have given some clue. Can be used as a coloring tool. So it is a color eraser, right? So the first one is a color eraser. Fill in the missing dash. And second one, dash is used to erase a drawing in MS Paint. So eraser tool help us to erase our drawing. Okay. So fill in the missing boxes. Third one, the dash of the eraser can be changed. The size of the eraser can be changed. So write all the answers. This is the first one, second one and third one. Circle the eraser tool in the toolbox. Yes, this is our eraser tool, right? So circle the eraser tool. Third main, circle the portion where you can change the size of the eraser from the given picture. So here we can change the size of the pictures, right? Yes, here circle it here. Next, rearrange the jumble letter. So by seeing this, we can guess that it is an eraser. The first one is E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser. Second is a tool, T-O-O-L, tool. Third is a window, W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Fourth is area, A-R-E-A, area. Fifth is size, S-I-Z-E, size. Okay, I told everyone to take a page number 45 and finish all the TB exercises. Now I am going to end my session, children. In case any doubt, you can ask me in the interactive session. Thank you, children. Bye. Take care.